Today I'm just gonna check every point, every bolt and every screw, because I haven't ride the bike for a long time, so I better check everything. I do that once a month. I'm just gonna check everything. You better keep an eye, especially on all those parts like this. I think boy like to put a lot of Allen screw, so like here, or those one. Always keep the chain tight. It's actually quite tight today, so I don't need to change it. I'm just gonna grease it. Always check, you know, once in a while all your screw. This one is missing. But yeah, all of things like this, all the extra, just keep an eye, because once in a while they tend to unscrew themselves, and then you end up in the road, on the side of the road, with missing things. So I always like to have this in my box. This is my disc lock. I put it sometimes if I leave the bike in the street, which doesn't happen often. Screwdriver, 10 keys, and a bunch of Allen keys. This one is good for the exhaust. You can keep it tight. Number 10. I tried to find some of those in the Philippines, but I cannot, so I think I'm gonna bring some from my next trip in Europe. This is very handy. Of course, you always have the kit from Suzuki. They give you some keys in there. It's not very great. It's not the greatest, but it do the job if you're on the side of the road. That avoid me to bring my whole thing, put it in a case. So I need your help. I don't ask you for likes or comments. You put it if you like. If you like the video, you like it. I'm not gonna beg you for likes, but if you can help me by clicking the bell button on the channel. When you subscribe, you have a bell button on the side. Just click on it. So you can get notified from all the video that I put, because what happens sometimes is not everyone see the video, or YouTube doesn't show it to everyone. So if you could just click the bell button, that would be nice. Thank you for watching. That was just a quick update. Things that I do on a weekly basis, basically. Just a fucking look at this. Still here. So that's the thing that I do basically on my bike weekly. But I do this every month, but I usually clean it every week. Tight the chain and put some lube. Tie the clutch, you know, things like that. So yeah, if you want to help me, click bell button. That would be nice, so you get notified every time I put a video out. You don't miss out. Thanks for watching, guys.